Hello everyone. So today we're going to look at the Kansept Fenrir. Get you some here. There we go. Really cool. Actually, not a zippered case, but something different. Nice pouch. And it comes with all the other stuff in there. So let's take a look at this knife. We have two-tone G10 scales with the black and red, titanium bolsters, titanium pocket clip. I checked the hardware on this, and basically, let me point them out. T8, T8, T8. This one right here is a T6, and so are the pocket clip. As you can see, this isn't reversible, so it's a right hand only. All right. We have, let me open it up, two ways to deployment here. We have the thumb stud, liner lock. Here's the lockup on that. Hopefully, there we go. Or we have the front flipper. And we have a drop point harpoon Damascus blade. This is an acid etch blade or printed Damascus. This is real Damascus. Let me zoom in a little bit. And this is a Grail snob design. Now, for me, this is a Grail knife. All right, let's go through. Oh, you get like your cleaning cloth and stuff to you. Okay, so let's go through the specs on this quickly. Let me zoom out a little bit. All right, we have a 3.48 blade. Total length of 7.89. Blade thickness is 3.5. Liner lock, ceramic ball bearings. The handle is 4.37. HRC is 58 to 60, and the handle is 4.40. All right, let's do a little comparison here. Now, I don't have very many harpoon blades, but I do have the Finesso, the harpoon on it. I do have a nice fixed blade with a harpoon Kaiser. And this isn't a harpoon, but I just get the idea for comparison here. And that is the Civivi Bowl Task. And let's just put out a regular Civivi just for the heck of it. And there we have the backlash. So you get an idea what size this is. All right. I do need to mention that Kansept is the company, but Tenable makes a version of this. Fenrir, however you pronounce it, in the Tenable, or yeah, Tenable knife series is like this one. They make one, it's a cheaper one. I think it's around $65 if you can get one, but Tenable is a sister knife company. There's Tenable to the Kansept, and I'm really liking this brand. So let's get these out of the way a minute. Let's do a quick pocket clip check. There's your pocket clip. So it does show a little more than some knives. It comes out nice. And let's see how it cuts. Gotta say, that action on this is really snappy. The only thing I've done is just kind of flicked it a little bit. Haven't cut anything with it, so we'll find out how it does. Got my rope. Here we go. By the way, this is very comfortable in my hand. I gotta say, it's very comfortable. Really like that tip on there. It's pokey, the thumb ramp, and the finger choil. So let's check out how it cuts. Very good. Zoom in on that a little more. Very good. So that came sharp. We'll do a quick cardboard test and paper. Okay. No problem. All right. I think this will be a good universal blade style. And if you get it in the Tannable company one, it's much cheaper than this one. Was $170. That's why I said it was a Grail knife, and it is. That's not a knife I can normally afford. So let's check out paper. Got into the finger choil there. Oh, finger choil. Come on, Sheila, do better. Not doing very good on that paper. I don't know why. There we go. I do good until I get into that choil. So, we'll see how I like this one. It's probably going to be more of a collector's knife than one I'm going to use, but that's okay. I'm totally into, I know it's a bad word, budget-friendly knives, but that's kind of my thing. And that's all I have on this knife. I do have some other news, so if some of you haven't read my community post, you might want to go over there, but I will tell you that everything got replaced, and it'll be going off. So that was a chore. Not something I was expecting. Lesson learned. Take it myself, and don't try to save money with UPS. Anyway, with that being said, I apologize for being late on getting that out. Not something that I thought was going to happen. All right, y'all have a great day. And weather in Buffalo today. Raining and dark skies. What a crazy summer. A lot of cloudy days, and I'm not knocking the rain because we need it. It'll be a matter of how much we get. You know, this like goes off and on. We've had these days where it just rains briefly off and on all day, and that's all we get. We really need a good rain because it's getting dry this time of year. Sorry about the birds. All right, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Oh, I do have some freeze-dried food that I'm going to take hiking, and I'm going to do that one of these days very soon. So, hold on. This will be the one I'm going to try out when I take my little hike, and we'll see if it's any good. And I do have one more MRE to do too. All right, that's all. Bye everyone. Sorry this got a little long. Have a great day. Bye.